Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. So viewers, in front of me HP Sprocket Select, and I can show you how to install paper HP Zinc into this printer. So first, of course, you need to have the paper and you need to have the calibrating card. Of course, you can use it without the calibrating card, but as you can see, print quality card is very important, and sometimes it's better to use this card. Okay, cool. As you can see, we need to locate the calibrating card in this way. So here is the other side of our printer cards, and we need to locate the calibrating card in this way. You can rotate it, but you need to locate it in this way. Cool. And then open the printer cover and just install the paper cards in this way. Cool, that's it. Close the cover. And fine, now we can print. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.